Today I'm taking a look at the Samsers full-size folding keyboard and mouse. We got our quick start guide, and this actually comes with a nice little clamshell case. So here's our mouse. We got interesting, very soft feeling keys. So there's no real click to it. You can kind of feel it, but you can't really hear it. It does have a scroll wheel, and we do have a middle click, and it looks like our DPI settings. On the bottom we've got our dongle, so we can use this to connect directly, or we can use Bluetooth. And it looks like it already has battery installed. And here is our keyboard. So it does have a very nice soft back on it. So this side stays in place and this side actually unfolds and slides across. So that way we can protect our hinge on the back. The hinge, we actually can't even really see that well when it's unfolded, which is nice. On the top we got channel 1 and channel 2 for our Bluetooth, and we got our Wi-Fi. We got our power switch, and we also have a USB-C port, so if we want to, we can connect that directly to our computer, and we can use that for charging. And we can see that we are blinking. If we want to change that, just press and hold, and we can see we're now on channel 1 Bluetooth. So here's our charging cable. It's USB-A to USB-C. And that comes with a collapsible phone holder. Got a little rubber strip here on the bottom so we can protect our phone, and we can use that to hold our phone up. So a handy little kickstand. So I'm going to plug the dongle into this adapter because this laptop only has USB-C ports. Turn this guy on. We're currently on Wi-Fi, and that does work right out of the box. And I found the Bluetooth keyboard right away. So I do like how precise the mouse is. Like the buttons, they feel great on here. It does not, of course, read on glass very well, so I'm just using this little pamphlet that came with the mouse. Yeah, and the keyboard feels very nice to type on. It doesn't feel like a membrane keyboard or anything like that. It actually feels like a full-on mechanical keyboard. And I also noticed that it is not really crunched up. Like sometimes they make these keyboards that are super small, and it just feels really cramped to type on. This actually feels pretty good. And then plus just having the fact that we can fold that guy up, we can easily fit that into even a small backpack. So if you got a small little bag we're carrying our laptop in, this is going to be an excellent little option for that.